You've probably seen a ton of YouTube videos talking about the best ways of making money online, and many of them mention learning a high-income skill. But what exactly is a good high-income skill? Well, if you haven't discovered this already, the amount that you work is not necessarily correlated with the amount of money you make. There's people out there that work 100 times harder than I do. For example, the owners of some of the biggest companies in the world make hundreds of times more money than many of their employees that work much harder than they do. Now, you might say that this isn't fair, but this is a way that the system we live in has been designed. So in order to make a great life for yourself and potentially your family down the line, I believe it's important to do what is considered smart work over hard work, which means finding online jobs, side hustles, or high income skills like I'm going to be showing you within today's video that have the potential of paying you a lot of money instead of working all of your hours during the day just to make a little bit of money. Now, this is coming from somebody who's made millions of dollars online by just 22 years old, so you can certainly say that I didn't work for 30 to 50 years to get to this point. Obviously, I've done it in a comparatively short time frame. I have been working online for the past 10 years, and I've become a millionaire in my early 20s. And I'm not saying any of this to brag, but rather to show you what's possible if you focus on the right things. Now, I got very lucky finding out about some of these high income skills at a very young age. And without further ado, we're gonna get straight into today's video where I'm gonna show you 5 different online skills that have the potential of paying you a 6-figure salary or less or more online. All right, so for high income skill number 1, this is a relatively new one that has only popped up in the past year, and that is AI prompting. This skill is currently in high demand due to the fact that ChatGPT is becoming increasingly popular, as well as other prompt-based AI solutions. And the thing about these solutions is that they require you to enter a prompt, and due to the fact that AI is not yet human, it requires thinking about these prompts in a special way to get your desired end result. And there's huge companies like Google that are paying 6-figure salaries for these positions. So in my opinion, if you're entering the workforce and you have any interest in artificial intelligence, I would think about doing something within that field. Now, it doesn't just have to be AI prompting. There's so many ways that you can utilize AI, even in starting your very own business. For example, I teach within my YouTube course and community, Tube Mastery and Monetization, how to grow and monetize highly profitable faceless YouTube channels. And I've seen a lot of my students also utilizing AI solutions like ChatGPT to help write their scripts. So the possibilities when it comes to AI are endless. Also, a huge benefit of learning about artificial intelligence is that it is entirely remote. And in my opinion, one of the best ways you can learn how to do this is to start your own business and utilize AI within that business, because you'll learn a lot about how to do prompts for it, and it'll give you a great resume if you ever apply to a company that needs help with artificial intelligence. If you've already implemented in either your own business or you've helped somebody out for free at first in order to build up that experience and build up your resume. High income skill number 2 is copywriting. Now, you might be saying, Matt, aren't AI tools like ChatGPT that you just mentioned replacing the need for copywriters to write copy for things like emails, blog posts, YouTube scripts? And in my personal opinion, it's not yet. In fact, I believe it's put good copywriters in even greater demand due to the fact that ChatGPT has replaced all of the mediocre copywriters. I know many people who write copy who make more than 6 figures per year, so the potential is definitely there to make a lot of money doing this. And if I were to professionally write copy, what I would do is set up my own business and my own website that gives examples of a lot of the copy that I've wrote in the past for other companies. And if no companies are hiring you from the start, do it for free in order to build up that portfolio. Then you can display it on your website, and when you reach out to potential clients, or eventually when they start reaching out to you, then it will be much more likely that they hire you. Of course, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to assist you in writing, but I always do recommend going through it with that human eye and correcting any mistakes to ensure that it's going to be the best copy you can possibly deliver. I personally pay thousands of dollars per month for people to do things like write YouTube scripts, help me write sales page copy for my online courses, and I run over a dozen different YouTube channels, so we have a lot of scripts to get written. Speaking of my YouTube channels, I also need to get content created for those channels, and that brings me to high income skill number 3, which is content creation. There's a couple different ways you can go about doing content creation. Either you can do it for your very own business and create a business out of the content that you create online, or you can create content for somebody else's business, and I'll give you a couple examples of each. So for example, if you're creating content for somebody else, I recently started a YouTube channel called Tube Mastery where I hire hosts to host that channel and create the content for it. And that's a channel where the hosts are actually showing their face. I also run over a dozen other different channels where nobody shows their face, and I hire people to do things like write the scripts, do the voiceovers, edit the videos, and make the thumbnails. But in the example of the Tube Mastery channel, the only reason that I hired those hosts is due to the fact that they had successful YouTube channels by themselves, so they proved to me that they could make great content. And they knew a good amount about YouTube and the subject I was hiring them for. So my personal recommendation to you is to start your own YouTube channel or TikTok account or Instagram Reel account. Now, in my opinion, YouTube is by far the best social media platform out there. Obviously, I'm super biased. I make millions of dollars per year from YouTube. But the reason this applies to you is because you can create content natively on a platform, build up an audience, and people will reach out to you to do things like sponsorships on there. You can make money natively on the platform in the case of YouTube specifically, one of the reasons I love YouTube so much. And then if you ever apply to a job that's requiring the skill of content creation, you'll have a resume because you've already done it for yourself successfully. And if you want to discover how to grow YouTube channels successfully, you can check out my course. No pressure if you don't want to, but it's called Tube Mastery and Monetization. It teaches you step by step exactly how to grow channels and how I, as well as thousands of people, have done just that. All right, now let's get into high income skill number 4, which is a little bit different, and it's no-code website design. You see, in the past few years, it's become increasingly prevalent that many of the top software and apps that you use, many of them are built on no-code solutions. What exactly does that mean? Well, it means using an interface that they give you to create those websites and or software that can provide solutions to solve people's problems, and you don't even necessarily need to know how to code anything yourself, which would take many years to learn how to do. Now, just a quick disclaimer here, if you're building something incredibly complex, it will likely require you to know how to code. But that being said, there are people out there making millions of dollars per year, much more than a six-figure salary, with completely no-code software that they made. And I've been going down a little bit of a rabbit hole on YouTube looking this up. You can check it out. There's tons of channels that talk about no-code software. And in my opinion, this would be a great skill for people to learn if they're at all interested in creating their own software. And as you might know, software has made a lot of millionaires and even billionaires. Now, the way to get started with no code is to start learning the tools that you're going to be building on. For example, there's tools like Webflow that help you make websites, and there's tools like Bubble.io where you can make custom software solutions in order to solve people's problems. Now, what I would do is I'd find tutorials online on places like YouTube, maybe even buy a couple courses to learn more about this subject to get your skills to the point where you could potentially help somebody do this or make your very own thing if you want to found something yourself. I'd make some sample projects and create some sample websites to ensure that your skills are up to par. Then from those, you can create a portfolio, make accounts on places like Upwork and other job posting websites where people can hire you and potentially make lots of money and help people in the process. Now, how much can this particular online skill pay? Well, just as a case study, I recently paid $1,500 just for somebody to make a couple different pages on a no-code software solution. All right, let's get into high income skill number 5, which is video editing. And I pay video editors thousands of dollars per month because they're an integral part of my business, and I don't know honestly what I would do without them, because if I was having to edit all these videos myself, I literally wouldn't have time for anything, and I think it would be physically impossible for me to do that. So I have so much gratitude for my video editors, and this is such a high income skill that I'm willing to pay a lot of money for, and many other businesses are also willing to pay a lot of money for this. And that's due to the fact that video is becoming the most prevalent source of media on so many different social media platforms, whether it be YouTube or anything else. Video editing is how you get your video looking the absolute best. Even this video right here, I've paid a lot of money for editors to edit this video to get out to you and try to make it look as good as possible. Plus, I've made a ton of mistakes throughout recording this video so far. They're gonna go ahead and cut all those mistakes out to give you the best finished product that you can possibly get. But in the beginning, I couldn't afford to hire people to edit my videos like this, so I had to learn video editing myself, and I honestly think it's one of the best high income skills that I've learned. Now, I personally learned how to do video editing on a software called PowerDirector, and my suggestion would be to start with something simple like that. But if you want to graduate up and get even better at video editing and get even higher paying clients, to something like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro. To give you an idea of how much money you can make video editing, you can definitely make a six-figure salary doing it, and I personally pay hundreds of dollars just to get a video like this edited. And imagine if you're editing multiple videos per day, that can definitely add up. All right, now throughout this video, I've mentioned running faceless YouTube channels a couple times, and I actually created you a step-by-step, basically a free course for how to do that, and you can check it out next to me right here. This video is incredibly valuable. I know you're gonna get a ton of value from it, so check it out next to me right there. Thanks for watching, everybody. My name is Matt Parr. Hope this helps, and I'll see you there.